First off, life would be crazy different. Imagine standing in the middle of one of the cube's faces. Gravity would pull you straight down, just like now. But as you walk toward the edge, gravity would start pulling you sideways, almost like you're hiking up a super steep hill, even though the ground looks flat. The closer you get to the edge, or corner, the more it would feel like climbing a mountain, and at the very corners, you'd basically be standing on the side of a cliff. Now, let's talk about water and air. On Cube Earth, all the oceans and atmosphere would pool in the center of each face, forming these giant bubble seas and thick domes of air. The edges and corners? Totally dry, rocky, and basically airless wastelands. You'd see these dramatic barren mountain ridges separating each face, and the only places you could really live would be around the shores of those central seas. This setup means each face would be like a separate continent, or even its own little world. Life on one face might never know about life on another, and evolution could take totally different paths on each side. You could have 6 isolated ecosystems, each with its own unique plants, animals, and maybe even different atmospheres if things got weird enough. Weather would be super extreme too. If Cube Earth spun like our current planet, the top and bottom faces would be icy poles, while the other 4 would be scorching hot, equator style. But if it rotated on a corner, every face would have mild, temperate weather. So, no more snowball fights or tropical storms, just endless springtime. And here's a fun twist. Space launches would be way easier. Since the atmosphere is thick only in the middle of each face, you could just drive a rover to the edge, and you'd be in almost vacuum. Perfect for launching rockets or setting up telescopes. But honestly, a Cube Earth wouldn't last long. Gravity would try to squish it back into a sphere, causing constant earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. So, while it's a wild idea, Mother Nature prefers her planets round. So, if Earth was a cube, get ready for wild landscapes, isolated mini-worlds, and some seriously weird gravity. But hey, at least the views would be epic.